Being a UX UI professional means that I get to have a direct impact on other people's life. And that's a big responsibility. UX designers create products that affect the quality of life of the people who use them. People use these products on a daily basis, whether for business or for pleasure. They don't always choose to use this product, but end up doing it for work purposes or for the lack of other options. And it's up to us to make sure that we are improving the experiences of these people and not the other way around. So the first time I heard about UI UX was 3 years ago from a friend of mine who is a developer. At first I thought it was the graphic designers who do this type of work, and that it was mostly related to the aesthetics of things. But when I learned about user experience and the science behind user-centered design, honestly, I was mind blown, coming from a background of architecture and always valuing function over form. I could really relate to this field. So I think the first thing that wowed me about UX UI is that a similar field actually exists. In my previous job as an architect, I used to always, when designing spaces, think about UX fundamentals and UX laws intuitively without even knowing it. And discovering that there is actually a field that is based on this on this design thinking process really wowed me. So UX UI is becoming more popular in Lebanon. You hear a lot of people wanting to get into the field and interested in this field. Now, it's true that there is no real UI UX major yet in universities in Lebanon, but there are a lot of design-related specialties that can lead you to the field. Add to that online certifications and courses. I don't see a reason why people can't get into it. Additionally, a lot of companies are devoting more resources and budget for user research and user testing these days because it's been proven that they add up on the return on investment. So that's good news. There are more opportunities for UI UX designers in Lebanon.